Good morning. Today we are explaining how a teacher can use Seesaw.
There is different steps that a teacher can follow.
Step 1 is to create a teacher account and log in.
Step 2 is to click on the plus green sign. You can find this in the top right corner of the screen.
There's 3 different options. 1. Post student work. 2. Assign activity. 3. Send announcement.
Step 3 is click on the post student work. Here you see different options on what type of work a teacher can post.
Namely photo, video, drawing, upload, note, and link. Step 4 is to click on Assign Activity. Here you can choose the grade and subject to post an activity.
Step 5 is to click on Send Announcement. Here you can type an announcement and attach an attachment if applicable.
Step 6 is click on Activities, which you can find on the bottom of the screen. There is 3 categories, namely Assigned to Class, Scheduled, and Archives.
Step 7 is go back to the home screen, click on the tool sign in the top right corner.
There is 4 different options that a teacher can choose from, namely class settings, add students, add families, or scan a barcode. On the bottom of the page, there is still an inbox option that you can click, and there you will see you can look at your student announcements, your family announcements, and the notifications. You can also add students and add family members. In the right hand corner of the screen, there is an option Skills. Here you can see the students' progress towards goals in real time when you tag activities or students with skills. These are the steps that a teacher can follow to successfully use Seesaw.